In this video, we will discuss the most emerging trends in cloud computing, data science, AI, and data analysis in 2023 and beyond. Let's get started.
Boom in cloud migration. Companies migrating their on-premise applications, data warehouses, analytics and ETL to the cloud. This will be as a result of cost considerations, cheap storage, and better performance.
Growth of predictive analytics. Predictive analytics is all about predicting future trends and forecasts with the help of statistical tools and techniques. With predictive analytics, organizations can make insightful business decisions that will help them grow.
AutoML platforms typically provide a user-friendly interface and explore various algorithms, model configuration, and hyperparameter to find out the best performing model for a given dataset. The goal of AutoML is to make a machine learning more accessible to individuals and organizations without extensive expertise in data science or machine learning.
TinyML is a type of ML which shrinks deep learning networks so that it can be fit on any hardware. It is a tiny form factor and the cost effectiveness make it one of the most exciting trends in the field of data science.
AI as a service, AIaaS. It refers to businesses that offer out-of-the-box AI solutions, which allows the clients to implement and scale AI techniques at a low cost. AIaaS is one of the latest trends where cutting-edge models are provided as services.
Datafication is the process of converting various aspects of human activities and the physical world into a digital data. Examples are a fitness tracker turning your steps into data, a website tracking your online activity, a self-driving car collecting data about its surroundings.
I kindly request you to subscribe to our channel if you haven't already, and please like and share our content. You can also show your support by clicking the thanks button below the video. Thank you.